Hi there, Yannick speaking. Today we're going to quickly go through the steps required for sh404SEF to display Google Analytics reports. Analytics support in sh404SEF has two parts. The first part is inserting a tracking code in your pages so that Google can measure traffic. And the second part is showing you or your users reports about your site traffic. We have another video showing all these features, but right now we are going to focus on the authorization process required by Google to grant access to analytics data. Let's go to sh404SEF control panel and open configuration. All analytics settings are grouped on one tab in the configuration. We have already enabled universal analytics support and pasted our site tracking code, which you can obtain from your Google Analytics account. So let's scroll down to the reports display section and enable that feature. If we were to go right away to the reports page, we'll be faced with an error as we have not authorized access to our Google Analytics account yet. We can do that now. First, we click the Authorize button, and this takes us to a Google page. We're already logged in to our Google account, so we are directly prompted to allow access to sh404SEF. If you're not logged in, Google will simply prompt you first for your username and password before you get to this screen. We can now accept and let sh404SEF access our Google Analytics data. After that, Google shows us an access code, and I can copy this code and close the pop-up window which is not needed anymore. We are now back to sh404SEF options, and we only need to paste the code in the input field and then save configuration. And that's it. Reports are displayed right away in your control panel on the dedicated analytics page with more details, and also on the front end once that's enabled, but that's another story. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos on using Google Analytics on your Joomla site.